everyone, I'm Conservation Chick, and thank you for joining me on learning how to be more ocean-minded. So today I'm going to share with you my favorite ways to refuse single-use plastic and even save money while doing it. In case you don't know, single-use plastics are plastics that we use one time for convenient purposes and then we just throw them away and we never use them again. We only use them one time. I'm doing this video because it's so important that we can refuse single-use plastics because quite frankly, we don't need them. We really don't. And they make up 90% of the pollution in our beautiful oceans today. I know it's hard at the beginning, but before you know it, you'll start using these products like second nature. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Conservation Chick. I want to fill the void and the misconception of thinking that you can't be more conservative. Come with me on this journey to living an ocean-friendly lifestyle and together becoming ocean-minded. Number 1, plastic water bottles. Buying a reusable water bottle is so much cheaper than stocking your fridge with plastic water bottles over and over again. In fact, Americans spend $16 billion on plastic water bottles each year alone. While many Americans assume that bottled water tastes better, that's simply not true. If you have a Brita filtered water system or a filter on your faucet in your sink, it can remove the same contaminants and mineralize the water for you, so it is the same quality of water. And in America, we take for granted our safe water all the time, so why ruin the oceans in the process? Number 2, grocery bags and produce bags. Guys, say no to one-time use grocery bags and produce bags at the grocery store. Spend only $3 on a reusable one. It's way cuter than a brown plastic bag and makes for easier cleanup. For every gender and every age out there, they offer a variety of different styles, so whatever your style is, they have it for you. And in states like California, they even charge you a fee for checking out with a plastic bag. Number 3, plastic lids, cups, and straws. I know you've heard millennials harp about metal and paper straws, but it's really easy to keep them around the house, and don't forget to take them on the go. That's really important. Here is a top secret tip. If you're a coffee or a tea addict like I am, you are given discounts for bringing your own reusable cup into coffee shops. And since the reusable cups are usually bigger than the plastic ones they give you, you're given more coffee at a lower price. Number 4, food packaging. This is a huge plastic waster. We can go to the restaurants and use the to-go plastic food packaging and reuse them again to replace our expensive Tupperware at home. Also, try to refuse Ziploc bags and use silicone ones like this one. You can reuse this over and over again. I have seen eco-friendly families train their children to use the silicone bags in their lunch boxes and then they bring them back home to be used again. Try to avoid the little snacks that are wrapped in plastic in the grocery store and try buying a bulk size that is wrapped in plastic instead and put that in the silicone bags to bring on your lunches or your children's lunches. This utilizes the plastic more efficiently. Number 5, cutlery. Bamboo is the way to go. It is biodegradable and it is one of the fastest growing plants in the world. It can grow up to 36 inches in a day. It is also just as lightweight as plastic, so don't feel like it's going to be any different than a plastic cutlery. Number 6, flip-flops. I know what you're thinking. What? Really? I have to give up flip-flops? But no, you actually don't. The only thing about flip-flops is, unfortunately, it is the most abundant plastic polluter in the Pacific Ocean, which is washed up due to the currents. It is washed up on uninhabited small little islands in the Pacific, such as Cocos Keeling Island. And check out my other video about the journal that was posted about all the plastic pollution on Cocos Keeling Island for more information. But do not fret, there's always a solution. I put 16 options in my description box for eco-friendly and recycled flip-flops for your next pair. And another thing that's worth mentioning is for the ladies and men who go get pedicures, try to wear sandals there so that you can avoid using the one-time plastic flip-flops that you wear when you leave the spa. Okay, number 7, toothbrushes. Bamboo toothbrushes are an easy solution to this one, and they are just as cheap. So what I've noticed about my bamboo toothbrush at home is that it's really nice to lay it out and let it dry laying flat instead of in a cup, because the wood in the bamboo tends to soak up moisture more than plastic. So just a tip to help you let your bamboo toothbrush last longer when you buy your bamboo toothbrush. Now, if only my dentist would start handing out those for free. Number 8, plastic contained tampons. This might be overbearing for some of you, but for those of you willing to go all the way with me, try using tampons that do not contain plastic on them. These eco-friendly tampons have no plastic cover when you insert, and it's really not necessary. It's just as comfortable and it's just as easy to insert it. But it's really a personal choice. Thank you so much for tuning in on how to live a more ocean-friendly lifestyle. Please comment below your favorite ways to refuse single-use plastic, and thank you for joining me on this journey to becoming more ocean-minded. And don't forget to click the bell to be notified for when I post new videos. Bye! If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos about staying ocean-minded, subscribe to my channel.